Hello and happy Friday. We are going to go ahead and get started. Your schedule today is to do your math subtraction slides and then to work on the reading and fiction and nonfiction, do your grammar slides, and then get on Google Classroom to do your sight words, and then getting on iReady Reading and Math. So for math, you have one slide and you are working on subtraction still. I'm going to read these out loud to you. A family ordered 7 rolls. They ate 3. How many are left? You're going to take this circle over here and you're going to circle the right answer. There are 6 slices of cake. 2 were given to a table of diners. How many are left? The kitchen made 10 salads. 8 were delivered to diners. How many are left? The kitchen has only 8 steaks. They sold 4. How many are left? Frank washed 9 glasses. 1 broke. How many are left? And 5 tables are ready to go. 2 paid their checks. How many have not paid their checks? Again, this week we were talking about fiction. Remember, fiction is a made-up story, and the purpose is to entertain. So this comprehension check is about the story that we read in class this week, Penguin and Pearl. So what skill of the penguin made the cats want to steal him? Intelligent at solving problems? Great at keeping eggs warm? Or excellent at catching fish? You're going to take, there's some circles right here, and you're going to circle the right answer. Why couldn't the cats just buy the fish? They lost their money. They spent their money on a movie. They were too cheap to buy dinner. Number 3, how were the cats punished? Gruel for life? Cleaning up after the elephants for a year? They were sent out to sea. Number 4, the penguin made his way back to the zoo by helicopter. True or false? Remember to use the circles that are up here to circle your answer. This next part you are going to write, there are some text boxes for you to write in. It says, draw and write about one example from Penguin and Pearl that proves to you that the book is a fiction book. All right, and then grammar, synonym, words that have a similar meaning. The cats were starving, or the cats were hungry, mean the same thing. All right, some synonyms. All of your circles are right here. So you're going to read the word, the first word, and then you're going to pick the word that is a synonym, means the same. So you'll do that with all of them. After you're done with that, you guys will get on iReady Reading and Math, and you will do your sight words on Google Classroom. That is it.